Good morning, everyone. How's everyone doing? Good morning. Good morning. Welcome in, everyone. If you have any questions, drop them in chat. Screen share is up. Good morning. What's up, Wild Outdoors? Devo, Corey, Medman. How is everyone? Good morning, Danny. How are you this morning? Good morning, Ryan. How we doing, TikTok? Everyone happy to be alive this morning? Let's see here. I can't even see if I have anyone on TikTok. It's like froze or something for me. There we go. It's working now. You working at FedEx, Danny? Got a job you're doing there? Good morning, champ. How's your morning going? Where's Jaden at? What's up, Jay? I need everyone to stick around until the end of the live today. I got some accounts to give away, take profit accounts. You bought a new truck yesterday? Nice. What'd you go with, Ryan? What did you go with? Zach, what was the question? I missed it. I need to be better about answering the questions when I ask them on Instagram. I lose track of them, okay? That's my excuse. Ask me here, Zach. Oh, I like them. Solid. What's up, Bill? Good morning. Ooh. Oh, Wagyu. Well, where do I get it from? Fleming's has some good Wagyu now. It's a newer edition, but it's good. Let's cook it on the hot stones, you know. If you're asking local, Zach. But I had some good Wagyu in Orlando. It was top tier. I'm trying to think of that steakhouse. The name of it. Oh, I don't buy it, Zach. I don't know. I'm not big into Wagyu. Like actually buying it. I prefer like a nice strip or fillet. Yes, you do, MJ. See, with my Tradovate, everyone, so I have the live data package that you get, the group package, and I have the package you can pay for the lifetime package where your commissions are lower. I bought that as well. I can't remember how much it was. 1,000 and something, I believe. Oh. Good morning, Team Bull. For those just joining the Zoom, I'm just hanging out. You can drop some questions in chat if you all have any. I read them all, farmers. Beck. What are we referring to here? You have tricked me too many times. Is it hard to withdraw from Apex? Now, with their new rules, there's 0 denied payouts. So if you make it to that stage without breaking the rule, from the new rules, from what I read, they don't deny payouts anymore. So read it for yourself, just to make sure I'm not missing anything. But nice, Beck. I'm not for sure. I go back and forth. I see Jaden's on here. No, I still haven't bought that, but most of my seasonings are Kinders. You should be able to now, Jaden. I got you.
What's good?
What's up? Good morning.
I'm in the chat. What's good, bro? How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Dan, Farmers with an absolute nuker of a post. A farmer said, a longtime member of the Discord, finally after months and maybe years of prop firms taking money from me, I was able this week to get my first payout, 12K across 4 accounts. Next payout, I should be out of prop firm debt. That's freaking awesome. I struggled with DOD. Will finally help me believe it
Nice.
or not was having multiple accounts before I would swing for the fences trying to make 2,000 or more on a day on a small account and ended up blowing it.
What's up, everyone? Ivan, I use it mostly for NQ. Other people use it for stocks and ETFs. So, good morning, Kyle. Thanks. Oh, you work on my Cobra for me, is that? Oh, I gotta drive it this coming week. Get it out. Let it breathe. Maybe. What is the temperature gonna be today? Might be a good day for it. You trade a lot of Tesla? As far I haven't. Actually, I've taken one trade on Tesla with it, but I haven't really back tested a ton on Tesla. If you want to check it out, Ivan, try it out, see if it works for you. Does anybody in here use Grizzology with Tesla? It can help Ivan out. Or it uses Grizzology for individuals. So what are we looking for this morning, everyone? We've got about 10 minutes. What's your favorite setups on NQ? I'm going to watch a VWAP reject personally. That's what I'm watching. I want to see us pull up to VWAP for a possible short, okay? Kind of look for a candle like this one here. Kind of how this one played out. When it wicked above. Closed back below. Alright, Emma. Emma likes the VWAP as well. You want to know a story behind my name? That is not a story I can tell here. Behind Grizzly? What's up? Is that you use Grizzly on Apex, Take Profit, Tradify? What's up, Jackson? I missed what you said. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Fabiola. How are you?
Loan drop.
VWAP rejects what we want.
VWAP reject. That's
Oh,
the
yeah.
question.
Just
Like 360 area.
yeah, probably be a little lower. I'd like it even more if it was around 325. You know, once we.
Oh, I was VWAP's with 345.
Yeah, I'm watching right in that area. 340s should pull down a little once we get rolling.
We literally sold off that entire pump. Almost. That'd be my watches getting under that gap. Where's pre-market high at? Like 500? Just under?
Yeah, like 491.
Alright.
Quite the range.
Alright.
I like it.
About game time. Oh, I know Gene's gonna be sore today. We had a crazy good chest workout yesterday.
Nice. Nothing like a good chest workout.
I'm putting that boy to work in the gym. I'm on day like 52 of 75 hard.
I want to do the 75 hard again. I just gotta have have to be ready to dedicate myself to it once I start. That's awesome, Emma. I'm glad. I'm glad you're almost there. And hopefully we have plenty more this year together. Or you all, at least. Seems like the only thing I trade these days is my personal. I need to trade the fundeds. I'm just not good at multitasking when I'm day trading. It's just not my strength. Good morning, Esteban. How are you? Good morning, me. I'm down to do the 75 hard if you all want to. Everyone always lose interest in my challenges, so I eventually quit talking about them. Or we could do our own type of. Yeah. What's 75 hard? Sean, they actually have an app on the App Store. You should check it out. It's cool. If we do the 75 hard, I've already got the app downloaded. We can just use the app to track our progress. It's basically 2-day workouts, 45 minutes each, if I remember, minimum. One outside, one inside. Which, if you all want to do both inside, I'm cool with that. And you have to follow a diet. No drinking or drugs. But always make sure you do things right. Don't overdo it and hurt yourself on the workouts. Good morning. Watching the VWAP reject off the open, everyone. You see the VWAP on my chart there. Come on, Zach. You can go 75 days with no drinking, surely. If you all want to start it, tell me a day to start. I gotta give me a day to prepare myself at least. So when I lock in for the 75 hard, I have to throw a lot of stuff away. Any temptation. The foods I cannot eat. I hear a helicopter. No, nothing for me yet, Don. You hear the helicopter? It's not like a ride over it. Yeah, there's 2 helicopters. Army. Look, there's Army. It's awesome, Corey. Pickled ginger. Any kind of pickle food helps. They're looking for me? You think so? Data at 9:45. Mr. Babar, good morning. We got data at 9:45. Yeah. That's funny, Alexander. All right, we got a minute 20 before market opens. You all let me know which day we're starting 75 hard. We'll do it together. I will not be traveling any while I do it though, because it is, for me to stay on 75 hard while traveling is very difficult. For one thing. One second. We're here, Team Bull. Ready for the market to open.
I just realized I was muted. I was trying to talk. I pulled the Grizzly. Thank you, Gene.
That's my life story, man.
Pull the Grizzly. Yep, let's get it. We got
40 seconds.
40 seconds. I didn't have my clock up.
I'm going to do the 75 hard, Jaden. I'm doing it.
What'd you say?
I'm gonna do the 75 hard.
Let's do it. I basically just freaking lived it beforehand so I don't drink or.
I mean, do you still do the outside workouts at least one a day?
I usually do my second workout is typically like a long walk, / jog with my dogs. I hit an insane workout in the morning, and then I get some sort of either bike ride or long walk or something like that.
Nice. I'll have to get me bikes then. Get a bike and like a tractor tire, put in the yard.
Yep.
Flip it.
Yeah, yep.
Push up the VWAP. I'm gonna watch for a short entry, everyone. Closer to 325, the better.
All right, guys, let's get it. It is a beautiful day to choose DOD, discipline over cheap. Go.
All right. If you have any questions, drop them in chat, okay? Good morning, good morning. So if we do the 75 hard, who is in? I want to see who's going to do it with us. So I can try to hold everyone accountable. Make sure everyone's healthy enough. Don't go having a heart attack trying to do this. Just make sure you're healthy before you start it. Don't blame me. Let's see. Courtney, Emma, Steve, Danny, Zach. Be a good way to cut some fat for sure. Or just let your organs heal from living a living a tough life, you know. I don't know what you all do, but we'll have to hold each other accountable. It'd be a morning thing. We check in, okay? On here. Share the live. Let's get rolling, everyone. Colorado Cowboy, look up the 75 hard challenge. 75 hard. Are we starting tomorrow or the next day? What day was? Oh, the 1st? You said April 1st? It's kind of a long ways off. I guess we could start it on Monday. What is 75 hard? This is a fitness challenge. You stay locked in for 75 days. You can get the app, everyone. Let's go to the App Store, search it up. You'll find it. It does it all there for you. So. News in 10 minutes outside daily. Thanks. G-Man, I don't think I've ever finished. I've got close. I'm talking like very close, and I fall asleep without following one of the rules. I have a bad conscience, so even if I break a rule, I have to, you know, start over. It's just I just don't feel right trying to cheat with it, you know. I guarantee you, if you do it right and you pick the right diet plan, in 75 days you'll be down a crazy amount of fat if you do it right. More than you realize possible in 75 days. Everything all right, me? I mean, I could use the challenge as well. Need to get my diet under control completely. Trying to cut anyways. That was always my problem. Keeping the diet perfect, dialed in. I love lifting weights. I lift weights almost every day. All right, everyone. We're sweeping this. We're not going to make it to the reject. I like, okay, the bio on Grizzology here, I can't take it because it was off the opening 5-minute candle. You can't take trades based off the first 5-minute candle, Corey, or I'd rip it. Team Bull, I'm not taking this bounce in demand here because the first 5-minute candle confirmed, and I don't really count that as confirmation. The opening 5-minute candle. Just a heads up.
Are you looking for a bounce?
Well, we have this demand here, but we was awful close to it. You know, we was actually in it. I mean, it could print, but I want shorts.
We was awful close to it.
Awful close. Redneck.
Okay. We got the NASDAQ. Keep that on the screen. On that 15-minute chart, I'm also watching.
It's funny. I called Jay down a redneck. Redneck. How'd I do yesterday? Oh, I ended my day red. I had the losing trade with you all. Brittany, get the app. Everyone get the app. Or research the 75-day hard. Everyone get their plan ready that's going to participate. And let's start it on Monday, okay? Let's just start it on Monday. That way everyone has time to get their kitchen in order, whatever.
We got 7 more minutes till 15 minutes in.
Yes, it was, Holly. It was a tough market yesterday.
Love to see, I'd love to see us break this range to the downside today. Please just annihilate this. Complete annihilation of the downside, please. Complete annihilation to the downside. That's what I'd love to see. Losses do not affect me as they once did. Went negative 800 yesterday.
$75 days. Honda, there's different types of 75. I'm doing the 75 hard, personally, if I participate with you all. But, maybe some of you all cannot do it, physical, health reasons, whatever. They do have easier versions if you would like to do them. G-Man says, Grizzly, I'm up over 7K in payouts this year so far, but last 2 weeks have been rough. I can only, last week was okay for me, G-Man, but like yesterday was definitely not good price action. I want a short entry.
Yep, me too.
I'm gonna try to go regular size today. We'll see how it goes. Come on.
Traded bait.
Yeah, all the war tweets and stuff definitely make it difficult.
There we go.
We have data dropping soon. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. This is gonna wake back up above Asia low. Maybe pre-market low.
Yep. All right, guys. We are 12 minutes in.
That's a possibility, Ryan. Let's see what we see, what happens here. I have no idea, JD. I rarely read into it. You need 350 to pass your eval. Hopefully we can catch one good trade and get you there. What's up, King Julian? How are you? Is your 19-year wedding anniversary, G-Man? Hopefully you have something fun planned. Oh. All right.
All right, let's see. Let's see what they do here. Let's see what they give us.
You have your coffee yet, Jada?
Oh, I got my coffee. We're ready.
All right.
We are ready to go. Ready to go with the flow. All right, let's see what they give us. We got our 15-minute range in everybody.
Hopefully it doesn't get a lot of volume and push us back towards pre-market high.
Hoping not. I'm also not super confident to take any shorts in the midpoint in here. Still in no trades. Nope. Still no trades. Oh yeah.
Let's see here. If you have any questions, drop them in chat, everyone.
What was that, Grizzly Glock?
Just watching. I just hope we don't get above this pre-market low and just trend up.
Hard drop, we'll see. We'll see what they give us. We'll see if we can get it. We went and touched this 50% retracement. Almost to the dollar.
Wish this candle would close before it makes a low a day.
There's no world where I would have taken this without to have 100 points of risk above those highs. So one nice, good, solid trend move. That's all we need. One good, solid trend trade. That's it. That's all I'm looking for.
Don't you do it, candle.
I think candle's gonna do it.
If this candle closes here, we get a retracement close to pre-market low. 192 to 205. I'm gonna try shorts.
I don't think it'd be a bad idea. Tops will only have like 20 some points of risk too.
Yeah, be a possible trend entry. I could be wrong. We could get stopped out, but I'm willing to risk some at 192 to 200. 205. Probably won't matter. It's probably gonna rip down low day.
To the 24th. These option premiums are expensive.
That was crazy yesterday. I was looking at them, like 500% IV.
I'm on these next days, and they're like freaking at the money is like over $400. Damn. Pulling an option chain, I was thinking about trading some options. Daily looks like it wants to keep moving down.
Do I have an Apex code? Yeah, code Grizzly, all caps, Zach.
I like this area near 200. I think it's worth a small try if we can get pull back up there.
That's what I thought was gonna happen on us. I believe shorts are the play. We just gotta get an entry.
Yep.
That makes sense. What's up, Rogue?
Ooh, I need this coffee to kick in.
That's what I was just thinking. I may have to get another cup.
I don't like when we go in a sweet pre-market low. Or not pre-market low, excuse me, low day. So I think it's potentially worth a try up here for shorts.
92 and 205. I think I may start my position at 92 and add to it at 205 and keep my stop at 228 or 229.
Would be Rogue?
Why did that not fill me? I was trying to get filled at 92 on my first.
Almost so you got the 191.
Yeah, man, that's crazy. Hope I don't sell off here. I'll add at 192 and 205. And that's it. Do not over position. I'm just gonna add half of my size at a time.
I'm watching for a shorts entry around 200 as well. Around this pre-market low. I'm willing to try it with stops above like 231.
No idea why I didn't get filled up there. Looked like it hit it. Did it hit it on your charts? 192?
On actually on MNQ it looks like it did. On the NASDAQ it didn't look like it did, but on MNQ. I don't love that previous 5-minute candle. Now we're in 15-minute candle range. Now I can go use that.
It's interesting. The reason I considering trying this could be the trend entry. This could be where we actually make the move down. It's worth the risk if we can get our entry we was looking for.
Thinking about it. Deep within, dun.
Well, I'm in. I started my position, everyone. Got my first ad. I'm leaving room to add at 205. If we get there. My stop is at, I'm going to say 24,229 is where I'll stop.
Hope it crushes for you. I'll join you if we get to that second ad area, more than likely. Like 200.
I just hope we do. I'm not for sure we will. Well,
Who's Louise?
is Trump talking?
Nothing. I have not entered yet. Not entered yet. Two.
No, it's not hit or stop yet, everyone. Trade's still valid. I got my second ad.
Some shorts up here.
I got my second ad up there at 205.
I tried up here as well. I don't have much risk on this.
There we go. Keep going. Keep going down. Put your stops in. We have data dropping 2 minutes. Or a minute 30 seconds.
There we go. Come on, push it down. I should have really good fill. There we go.
There we go. I'm going to take half my size off here just because we have data dropping, everyone. So let's trim early.
Got a great fill on that too. That was awesome.
Yeah, I had a good average as well. All right.
We have data. Oh shit, we do have data dropping.
All right, it's about to hit my. Still in.
I didn't take any off on that move down. We were at 1-to-1, but
I did. I took half my position.
with less risk, I didn't trim anything. I'd rather get stopped out for, what would that be? 20, not even, but yeah.
I don't understand what's going on here.
25 points.
Tradevate is being weird. It's like not showing the right P&L or something. It's not accounting for my trim. That's weird.
15 seconds. We'll put data in 13 seconds. Beware, we might see an aggressive move up. I sized light. I didn't trim any on that initial move down. I'd rather just get stopped out with less risk and then re-enter if need be. I don't like that 5-minute candle.
I'm out of this trade.
Oh, yep, me too. Not bad though. Less than 800. I did not take any trims on that first move, everybody. I did not take any off on that 20-point move down.
Be careful with Tradevate if you're using it.
I did not take any off. I'm really trying to catch a bigger move. Whenever we get this trend move down, it's going to be nice. So I'd rather take a small loss. And then when I get that big move, I'm going to hold that.
It put me at break even. I'm not for sure what happened on my Tradevate, everyone. I trimmed, like we always do, and it did not show up my P&L. Even now, it's not showing it for my first trim. So I'm not for sure. Good morning, everyone. I don't think I've ever had this happen, though, where it just doesn't show my P&L on the trim. Caleb said the same thing happened to him there on Tradevate. It's interesting. You trimmed half and it didn't show it.
Even after all these years. See if this gives us a 5-minute reversal. I'd love to see it close below pre-market low here. If we got that, I'll try it again. Over position. Yeah, if we can get some sort of failure here. I don't like this 15-minute chart, but if we can get failure this pre-market low, I'll try a shorts entry again. I'll try a shorts with targets of like 130s.
Yeah, I'm at break even, everyone. I should have been in profits there on that trade, but something happened with Tradevate.
Still think we want to move down. I still think we want to move down. I'd love to see this candle.
Excuse me. Make sure you hit the follow. I go live every morning, okay? If you all want to try funded accounts that are proven, go to grizzlytrades.com. Look at Apex, look at Take Profit, look at Tradeify. See which one fits you best. Use code Grizzly. If you don't want to risk your own capital or just prefer prop firms. You're about to blow your funded, Dom. What trade are you in? Just some shorts or longs? What are you looking for here, Jadon?
I don't know yet. I want a bigger move, man. I really want to catch a bigger move. It's just been tougher. Unless you're trading supply and demand. It's been a little tougher. I'd still like to see shorts. I definitely would prefer to see shorts.
Yeah. I really like that 300, 304 area for shorts.
All right, everybody, still waiting. Try it.
That was such a weird trade earlier, the way everything worked out with Tredevant. Thinking back, even when I bought in at our second ad, my average was off. Now that I'm thinking about it, very strange. To me, it seems like up is the play right now. I'm not taking an entry up. I'm more interested in watching shorts right here than I am playing up to it. Yeah, Mr. Babar, I see room up to this 300. I'm not for sure. Any questions for me? Anybody? We've got a minute. Is VIX dumping? How do we survive in markets like this? Well, we keep our stop loss set for one, because you never know when a dumb tweet will come out or some dumb news. We just manage our risk well. You know, all we can do is the first thing we do is identify our stop, right? We know our stop, we get in as close to our stop as possible when we're day trading. Just manage your risk, all you can do. Focus on execution. That's interesting. Rare Munchies, this is Grizzology, is my indicator. If you want to check it out, just go to grizzlytrades.com, look at Grizzology. Once you get it, get like a full user guide inside the WAP community. Oh. The morning is still, it's still early, so we're only 40 minutes in, everyone. You can, VWAP comes with Grizzology, is part of it. But if you're just wanting to use VWAP, I'm sure TradingView has a version you can use. If that's the only thing you need. This regular old VWAP on here, you can adjust your settings on it. If you get the one through TradingView, adjust it to whatever you like. It's the basic. I wish it would just push 20 points higher. What did it go to? Yeah, 20 points. We would have tried some shorts. Well, 24 actually. Point of control's at 304. It's hard to see there. You notice how it's doing us the last 2 days. Technicals have not been respected too well. It gets real close to our setups. Typically we would get the entry, right? But in this market, it's just coming up short. And the drawdowns have been worse drawdowns. What's up?
What Grizzly?
What's up, man? Mr. Entry up there, but this market is just tough for entries. It gets close, then it just dies.
And then you start having 100-point stops.
You about need them with this market, as crazy as it is.
Jeez Louise.
Typical 1 minute candle anymore. 5 minute rather.
What an absolute trap.
I was gonna rip some shorts if we got close to that 300 area.
Me too. We had all the signs there.
Yeah, it looked great for shorts. 304 to be exact.
The volume doesn't look super appealing on this candle either. For how aggressive of a candlestick it was. What are we supposed to do with this wick now above pre-market low? Oh, that's a tough candle to do anything with. Aggressive wick up above pre-market low. Right around the 50% retracement, but a lower high made here. It's tough. That is a tough candle.
Yes, it does, Jackson. I would agree.
Still waiting, everybody.
Guess how much I made off that first trade? I know I'm right at break even. Just take a wild guess. It should have been a decent trade for me if I had got that trim off and my numbers have been right. $90. Break even, flat. Oh, is 90 enough to cover the sushi bill? I don't know. I can eat a lot of sushi, but if we're starting the 75 hard on Monday, I guess I'll have to get in all the sushi this weekend. It's hard to eat all that rice. Stay where I want to stay. Are we really going to do the 75 hard this Monday together, everyone?
Oh boy, Nick.
If you all are for real, I'm going to prepare.
Oh man. If we had a full body here, I'd contemplate trying shorts up in this area with stops above 285.
75 hard.
I'd watch her move to like 40, 40s.
When are you trading some Forex?
But this candle wasn't my favorite. Anyway, pre-market low right here that we're hovering above.
Buy Bitcoin? Oh, it'll go away. I have it made where to go away once we break above.
And you won 1.5.
Thanks, Raymond. Nine is your favorite? Point of control, everyone. The only area I'm watching for shorts. I mean, you could justify trying some like right here, but I like this area much better.
We had a little more confirmation on this previous candle. I would try shorts up at like 240. You just don't really have a lot of edge in that trade at the moment. Gene, you want to come say hi quick? I use the restroom.
Everyone be nice to Gene.
Won't be nice to Gene. He's sensitive right now. Yes, he is. Oh, my nice.
What's up, Gene?
What up?
Jadon said you all had a nasty chest workout yesterday. How you feeling?
I'm feeling okay. I'm sore, but I'm good. How are you doing today?
Good. I had a push day this morning.
How's the weather in Tennessee?
Looks like it's about to rain right now, but it's warm. It's warm, but it looks like it's gonna rain. I hope not.
I don't have a bias right now. Honestly, we're just ranging.
300 to 304. I'm gonna try some shorts when we get up there.
Yeah.
It's the only area I see.
I'm not even trading pundits today. We're just not in my ideal scenario.
You're just tired of this range, huh?
I am. Honestly, so I've honestly took a big step back. I did get a 6.3K payout, well, after profit split, and then a 3K payout this month so far. So we're sitting almost at like 10K a month, but I've really just, took my foot off the gas. I've just been trading like only 2 to 3 funded accounts, and the majority of it just evals, waiting for when we get this price action better again. I'm just trying to stack the evals, especially with Apex. They're cheap right now, so just stacking evals, taking the foot off the gas.
What's up, dog? Principal's back.
Nice.
Principal's back. Ready to catch a trade.
What is TFF said, what is red and bad for your teeth? I have no idea. I'm afraid to guess. A brick. Yeah, that's true. Very true. I know something else bad for your teeth is getting hit in the chin. I've had that happen. Chip your front teeth. All right. Market, give us something. Make sure you hit the follow TikTok. I go live every morning, okay? You can share it, spread the word. But only good vibes allowed. Well, I'd like to try shorts here, but finally closed back below pre-market low. The only thing I seen there. That's about the only thing we had working for us. I'm not trying it. I'm just talking, everyone. I'll be very clear if I take something, okay? I'm gonna stick around a bit, see if we get the setup I'm actually been waiting for. Honda, they'll be back. I'm telling you all, we just gotta survive this market. The easy market will be back. We'll be on here celebrating 100-point plus trades. It'll be all good times. Appreciate all the likes. No, I did not, Patricia. I hope this rips up to 300 plus for Mr. Babar. His loans. Then we get a short entry. Excuse me.
It's because we're in this range. Like, literally, you just look at this daily chart. This paints a very clear picture. Look at this. You just look at it. Ugly.
Are you showing a picture of a dog over there? That's hilarious.
Oh, something. The owner whose name rhymes with Landon.
Yeah. That's one of them times I instantly felt bad for messing with someone. You ever feel like that? Take a joke too far?
Here and there. No, it's ugly. And Gene. See, all these signs point to lower. All these signs point to lower. But even that, if I would have tried.
I didn't see that, G-Man. Is it Google falling apart? Some dangerous price action. There's just no trades to be made in here, everyone. I'm telling you all. Preserve your accounts right now. Let's see if we... It's really respecting the trend line. Nice. Emma, I didn't see another setup after we got off here yesterday. What'd you end up catching? I'm glad you did. I'm just asking. TFS. I feel the same way. I've seen a couple possible entries. I take that back, Emma. Nice history. Have a good day, man. TikTok, share it live and follow. Amanda asked, do you trade YM? I don't trade it often. I know the people in here trade it. Some people do. Do you have a strategy that works well for it? Oh. Have anything new on Watch Jadon, or are we still watching the same?
Also for shorts. I said if we didn't have pre-market low there, I'd try shorts on this pop up. But we do have pre-market low. We're above.
We're respecting this lower time frame trend line well. You can see the, yeah. See it on the 5 minute. Thanks, Thomas. You the man. That's what I'm talking about, Honda. I got some accounts to give away. Don't leave the live, everyone. Stick around. I think I have 250K take profits and 125K. Does anybody like 25K accounts? All right. I'm going to do the giveaway at the end of the live, everyone, so stick around for it. I'm just wondering. I have 250K and 125K to give away today. All right. Yeah, we'll do it at the end, if I could speak right. At the end of this live, I'll pick some people in the chat. I'll ask, you'll drop some comments. I'll go through, pick some people.
Can we pick a direction, please? Can we please pick a direction, Nasdaq?
Nice, CJ. I sat in the steam room forever this
This
morning.
finally
Felt so
happened.
good. I love the steam room. I still love the sauna. I love both, but I really have grown to appreciate the steam room more this year. Oh, I love the sauna as well. I've got a sauna in my house now. I do both, but TFS, have you what was I gonna say? TFF, have you actually tried the steam room
Quit chopping.
for like a week?
Nathakita, how many times do I have to tell you you're not a lumberjack? You job?
Nothing yet. We're just looking, watching. TFS, that's how I used to think as well. Exactly was my thought. And the steam room's really not about that. It's a little different. And the one I have at my gym, the steam room, it can be manipulated so I can get it hot in there. Like continuously just running. I would deny that if anybody tells the people who work there. I would deny ever saying that. Which one's worse, AJ? Would you say the garbage price section or this is worse? Uh, TFS, you can do that in a sauna, but you can't in a steam room. It's got like a little hole in the wall, and if you have the spray bottle, you can just spray it and it'll kick on, or just like blow in it. Just don't put your lips to it, of course. You know. Tell you, it's a game changer. I didn't like them before either because they wouldn't get hot enough, but they will like that. What's it at right now, Mr. Babar? I can look, I guess. So many streams up, you know. I want to stick around for a little bit longer if that's cool with you all. I want to see if we can catch a trade that doesn't. I'd like to make more than $90 today. That's what I'm saying. You heading out, G-Man? Find me a trade, Cowboy. Let's have it. Drop it in the comments here. No, Colorado Cowboy. I'm talking to Cowboy on TikTok. So we got two Cowboys on here. Have a good day, G-Man. I'm pretty sure the cowboy on TikTok, his last name is actually Cowboy, right? Or something crazy like that, if I'm not mistaken. Jackson, this has not been it so far. Sounds like a good time to me, Cowboy. Yep, his last name is Cowboy, for real. That's a cool last name, right? I think if I have a son, I'm gonna name him Chuck Norris. I'm just playing. I don't plan on any. Just playing. Maybe. We'll see. Yeah. Chuck Norris Grizzly would be my son's name. Mark said his kids are Walker and Texas Ranger. Wait, Walker and TR? Like it. People's like, okay, Grizzly starting with the jokes. Gotta go. I need 3 more. I don't need 3 more kids. I have 2 expensive daughters. Nice. You're a new dad? Congrats. Ryan, you liked it. I'm glad someone liked my joke. Mark, I'm right there with you, man. See what does this trend line. Yeah, I hope we push above it, honestly. I'm telling everyone in this live right now, day trading's great. It can be great income. But if you struggle, or maybe you just want another income, you all should learn about selling options. Solid income, much slower pace. Just do it right. Learn it, learn it first. It's not you're not going to get 1,000% return or something crazy, but I used to love to ride horses, Emma. I just a lot of my friends got hurt on horses when I was young. My uncle's son actually got threw off and it damaged his brain, and he had brain until he died. It's like a injury, like a issue. I forget exactly what it's called, but it was bad. My friend was in the hospital for like a month. Always so hesitant with horses anymore. I guess if you're born into it, though. I'm not trying to scare you, Emma. I'm just telling you the facts. Which we was wild as kids. I mean, if that helps you any. Our horses could were a little wild as well. Oh, that's good. She wears a helmet and everything. That's a. See, we never wore helmets. We never wore helmets with anything, to be honest. So dumb. There you go, Mr. Babar. Rip up for him. Keep going. Yeah, Superman. Literally. I didn't know that's where it was at. You all just made me think of something hilarious from my childhood, talking about horses. Yeah, I loved his movies. Tell us the story. I don't know. It's kind of country, maybe too country for some people to relate on here. I don't know if everyone will find the humor in the story. People's gonna be like, "Who is this redneck I'm trading with?" Rip up for Mr. Babar. No, it's not cow tipping. All right, everyone. I'll tell you a quick story. It's gonna be country, so if you don't like things about horses and stuff that happens in the country, you don't have to listen. But anyways, I had to take care of horses and stuff growing up, right? This my family's. That wasn't mine. It was on one of our properties, right, where we gardened. But we had to feed the horses, right? We kept the feed in an old building. And if anyone ever met my uncle, the one that raised me from like 6th grade, he's he's an old veteran, this really serious person for the most part. What you would expect a man to be like that. And he was feeding a horse, and he like stuck the thing into the scoop to feed, and a big rat like run up his arm, and he couldn't get it off him, so he's like beating himself with the feed bucket. And I was a little bit scared to laugh at him, afraid to laugh. But what can you do in that situation? That was it. And I'm pretty sure we was already fussing that day, so it made me even more happy. Yeah, suddenly I knew how to dance. You know what's crazy? Another story about him, real quick while we're waiting. He got drafted to in the Vietnam War, and he had just got married, and he got drafted for 2 years. Wouldn't that be crazy just to marry? Just get married, then you get drafted for 2 years, gone for 2 years. We'll see you, Kayla. Wow.
Do we get news? This has got to be news.
Is this like a random tweet?
This has got to be news. Look at the market. We're still up 100 points in this candle. We're up 130 points. Look at this.
I literally looked off and looked back and was past my level to go short.
What's the tweet?
Nice, Mr. Babar. I'm happy for you, man. Love to see it.
This has got to be news. It's got to be news.
Was that news? What's going on? I like to take shorts. Can someone help me out? Figure it out? Well, never mind. Jesus.
We got 2 more minutes in this candle. If we close it strong, retest back up that 300 area, I'll try shorts with stops above like high a day. We already had 5-day pause news the other day. I don't think that's new. No Trump tweets, so just market, just be in market. All right.
Crazy amount of volume. Getting a new point of control.
So that's the candle I wanted, but like us being in shorts.
Yeah. Ryan, you made me laugh at that one.
Rocket tweet make us do that.
The sound of 1,000,000 funded accounts blown on that candle.
Prop firms love that candle.
Yeah. I'm telling you, that's the area to short. Just had a weird candle. So Iran open to U.S. outreach, ready to listen. That was it.
Yep. It's gotta be it.
I wish they would just not tweet or anything during market hours.
thing right now because I watch for shorts up here, but we got essentially positive war news, which you don't know which way that's going to drive the market. It's completely news driven. I don't think we're going to get a bigger volume candle than this. We outdid the first candle.
This is gonna mess up. All this candle's gonna do, that news, is gonna mess up my short entry for us. What can you do? The massive volume on that previous candle. I know this is the short entry, it's just...
Jeez Louise.
Man, that makes me mad.
Oh my gosh.
It makes me mad. That was my main setup.
Look at that. Right now it might give it to us. If we get this a strong next candle, on for a retest back up. This manipulation is crazy, bro. Literally actually insane.
I just hate waiting all morning for a setup, then it does that right to the level. Invalidates it. Doesn't give you entry.
Remember, guys, choose DOD. What is this manipulation? Look at this.
Pull back to the... Look how it retested the trend line from the above.
That's the keep that is PMSing or something. Damn. She going crazy. What's going on, Nasdaq? You good?
Well, everyone, you ready for a giveaway?
Can I help you out with something?
You all ready for some take profit? All right, first off, I'm going to give the 25K away first. I have one 25K account. Who likes 25Ks? I started on TikTok last time. I'm going to start on YouTube this time, then I'll move over. Hold on, my chat's froze. All right, I can see it now. Sorry if I missed anyone here. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. You can have one. Pumpkin, it has like 7033 at the end of your username. You can have it. Listen to me. Everyone, please listen to this before I pick any more winners. You have to DM me the email associated with Take Profit. So you have to have a Take Profit account. You have to DM me the email link to it, okay? On Instagram. You can find my Instagram in grizzlytrades.com, okay? All right, TikTok. Who wants a 50K account? Mark Galaxy. Mark Galaxy, you can have one. DM me on Instagram your email. All right, YouTube. I'm going to give away one more 50K. Who wants it? Pleeatl. Pleeatl on YouTube. DM me. You have to DM me your emails, everyone, or we will not get the account. You have to DM me because I have to email Take Profit your email, then they transfer the credits to your account. Okay. I gave away 3. Kept my word. Gave away 3. I want to apologize about this market. We had the perfect short entry. It would have been a great trade, but you can see we got the war candle manipulation. Like Mr. Babar said, manipulation. All right. And we'll be back in the morning. I'm green today. Small green, but I'm green. I blame Tradovate for that. Hope it works out for you, fried egg. Catch everyone later. Last chance to follow.